What's going on tonight, guys? We're checking out a brand new release from Destroy Rebuild Until God Shows. Very excited for another one. This track is called The Longest Road. Got a music video as well. This should be some pretty good stuff. We got some tier 3 patrons. We got Hunter, James, Ian, Marissa, Austin, Charles, Zachary, J. Alexander, and Levi. Thank you guys so very much. I'm ready. Let's get right into it. Oh my god, that sounds amazing already.
The bloodstream quicker. I take 2 shots to the brain.
Wow, that bass, a little pluckiness.
When you're always living in pain.
Dang, that is beautiful. Always love a vocal effect like that. Dude, that is beautiful. What? The orchestra too. Oh my god. Dude, he's dragging himself to the desert, but like this song, what the heck? It's so beautiful.
I've been working on me. Refocus my energy to focus on being
Cool little flow switches, but those cleans, oh.
I don't wanna speak.
So sweet. Oh, you feel that? Gosh. Woo. Getting them high screams. Dude, that's insane. Slows right back down. Ooh, man. Little layering, little harmonizing. Love that. The orchestra is just elevating everything. It's just elevating the whole song. Love the hi-hats from the drums, and the bass is just so good. Nice cymbals. Man. Ooh, yeah.
Same old shit, that same old shit. I won't get better.
Nice little vocal outro there with the layers. Oh, man. Makes me happy. It just, it sounds so good. And that was amazing. Drugs putting out an absolute masterpiece of a song, The Longest Road. That was beautiful. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous. What an amazing song. I mean, first and foremost, Craig's voice is just seriously insane. Just, so sweet. Hitting some crazy high sing screams. We had some cool little flow switches here and there. That sort of vocal effect that reminds me of like someone's voice coming through like a radio. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's something that I've heard before, and I really like that. I thought it was really cool how they threw that in here. The instrumental is so like uplifting, just so pretty. Like the combination of that orchestra elevating the sweet lead, little melodies, little pluckiness going on. bass, very standoutish. Drums doing crazy cool stuff with them hi-hats, the cymbals, all that amazing stuff. And I gotta give big credit to all these people right here on the front page for the photography, the drone shots, the camera angles, just the perspective. I thought it was really cool. The sort of I don't know what the theatrical or poetic term or whatever, but you know, he's walking through the desert carrying himself, dragging himself in like the body bag and burying himself, like kind of the deeper meaning or whatever behind that. I thought that was really cool. But just what a beautiful song. Oh my gosh, just kind of touches you, just hits you in the feels. I love that. Can't wait for some more. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.